the difference between a sales message that makes $0 and one that generates 80 million? One thing, the formula behind the words. In today's video, I'm breaking down a copywriting method so powerful. It took a company from $1 million to 4 million, then to 40 million, and finally to $80 million in sales in just a few short years. This is the exact framework you can use to write sales copy for any product or service. And today, I'm going to show you how to apply it step by step to a real offer. If you want to stop guessing with your sales messages and start converting, stick around. Let's dive in. This method was created by Evaldo Albuquerque, author of the 16-word sales letter. Now, here's what makes this story incredible. Evaldo wasn't born in America. He didn't grow up speaking English as a first language. In fact, from 2009 to 2012, he wasn't even working in sales. But in 2013, he joined a company and helped them make $1 million. 3 years later, through consistency and improving his copy, that number jumped to 4 million. Then something clicked. Between 2016 and 2017, sales exploded to 40 million. And in 2018, $80 million, all because of the words he put on the page. You need the right framework, and that's exactly what we'll be discussing today. Here's the core idea behind this method. Evaldo discovered that 70% of human buying decisions are emotional. Not logical, emotional. That means if your sales copy only appeals to logic, you're leaving most of your money on the table. So he built a framework of 10 questions. The first 7 target the emotional brain. The last 3 target the logical brain. That is, the skeptics who need extra proof before they pull out their wallet. Today, we're going to answer all 10 questions, and we're going to do it for a real product. A YouTube subscriber growth service. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete sales script you can download, tweak, and use immediately. Question 1. What is your product's unique selling proposition? Every market has competitors. If you sell YouTube subscribers, you're not the only one. So why should someone choose you? Here's our USP. We provide 1,100% organic subscribers. Real people, not bots, not fake accounts, not illegal methods. While other services use automation and fake engagement, we use legitimate Google Ads strategies to send real viewers to your channel. Real people watch your videos. Real people subscribe because they actually like your content. That's our edge. That's what separates us from the spammers. And that's what we're going to lead with. Question 2. What's in it for the customer? Here's a mistake I see all the time. People write long introductions. They build suspense. They wait until the middle or end of the script to reveal what the customer actually gets. Big mistake. In today's world, attention spans are short. You have seconds to make a first impression, so tell them right away. Here's what we say. I'll help you get 1,000 organic YouTube subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. The exact requirements you need to monetize your channel. You'll finally be able to turn on ads, start earning revenue, and build a real business from your content. Plus, once you hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, something powerful happens. New visitors see social proof. They see a channel that already has momentum, and they're far more likely to subscribe than if they land on a channel with 6 or 7 subscribers. The first 1,000 is the hardest. We're going to get you there. Question 3 and question 7, which circles back to trust. Why should they believe you? First, testimonials. If you have them, use them. If you don't have them yet, get them from your freelancer, your previous clients, or your network. Stack as much social proof as you can. But here's the real trust bomb. We don't ask for payment upfront. That's right, you only pay after you get your 1,000 subscribers. We do the work first. You verify the results, then you pay. Think about what that does psychologically. The customer has 0 risk. They can't lose money. The only thing they can lose is time. And if you deliver, they'll be thrilled to pay. This no sales, no charge model is one of the most powerful conversion tools you can use. It removes every objection before it even comes up. Question 4. What's holding them back? This is where you introduce what copywriters call the new mechanism. Imagine someone who's been trying to lose weight for years. They've tried every diet, every gym, every supplement. Nothing works. They are frustrated. They are about to give up. Then you show up with something they've never tried before. A new approach, a new mechanism. In our sales script, we say this: the reason you haven't hit 1,000 subscribers yet isn't because your content is bad. It's because you haven't found the right distribution system. You create great videos, but nobody sees them. That's the problem, and that's exactly what we solve. We become the new mechanism, the missing piece, the reason their past efforts failed, and why this time will be different. Question 5. Who or what is to blame? Humans are tribal. We need sides. We need someone or something to blame when things don't go our way. Apple fans blame Microsoft. Sports fans blame the referee. Politics is basically one big blame game. In your sales copy, pick a common enemy and position yourself on the customer's side. Here's what we say: YouTube will never push your channel, even if you have the best content in the world, because the algorithm favors channels that are already big. Meanwhile, spam services are flooding the market with fake subscribers that destroy your credibility. See what we did? We inflated the customer's ego. You have fantastic content, and we gave them two enemies, the YouTube algorithm and the fake subscriber spammers. Then we swoop in as the hero. We know your value. We know what you deserve, and we're going to get you real subscribers, even though the system is stacked against you. Question 6. Why now? You need to make the benefit of acting today greater than the cost of switching, or the cost of doing nothing. This is where urgency lies. And yes, a little fear is okay. We say people are already making serious money on YouTube through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Every day you wait is a day your competitors pull further ahead. Plus, YouTube changes its policies constantly. Right now, it's possible to grow organically with the right strategy. But will it be this easy next year? Next month? Nobody knows. You have 3 choices. 1. Keep doing what you're doing and stay stuck. 2. Try to figure it out alone and waste months. Or 3. Let us handle it and start monetizing within weeks. This is the either-or fallacy in action. Act now or keep your channel exactly where it is. The choice is yours, but the window won't stay open forever. Question 8. How does it work? Remember, the first 7 questions are emotional, but some people are skeptics. They need logic. They need proof. So we explain the mechanism. We bid on keywords related to your video content using Google Ads. Real people searching for content like yours see your videos. They click, they watch, and if they like what they see, they subscribe. No bots, no fake accounts, no tricks, just targeted traffic from people who are genuinely interested in your niche. This is the logical brain getting fed. Now the skeptic can relax. They understand the mechanism. It makes sense, and they are one step closer to saying yes. Question 9. How can I get started? Make it as easy as humanly possible. Remove every bit of friction. We say getting started is simple. Just send me your YouTube channel link. I'll handle everything from there. And remember, you don't pay a single dollar until you see your subscriber count hit 1,000. Question 10. What do I have to lose? This is the final push. We say YouTube policies change. Opportunities close. Other creators are already monetizing and building businesses while you're still trying to get noticed. The real risk isn't taking action. It's waiting so long that the opportunity passes you by. Let's recap why this works. 70% of buying decisions are emotional. That's why the first 7 questions hit the heart: the promise, the trust, the enemy, the urgency. But 30% of buyers need logic. They need to know how it works. They need to know the risk. They need proof. That's why the last 3 questions exist: to catch the skeptics, to push the undecided over the edge. When you structure your sales copy this way, emotion first, logic second, you speak to the entire brain. And that's how you convert both the impulsive buyer and the analytical buyer.